welcome to back my channel. So we'll see here that what is SQL null values. So on the daily life, when you are executing your select statement, that time some fields are getting null. So not think these values null. These values null means this is unavailable fields or unassigned fields. Don't think this is means this is that value is 0 or the value is blank space. Okay, null means it's unassigned or unavailable value, means no data is assigned to that it's not meaning that blank space or 0 value. So see here one example, this table also. So I execute this table. So this table contains some null. See, this is this structure nodes, this contain null value. It means to this particular field we are not assigned any data here. It's not meaning it's 0 or not means it's a blank space. Okay, so next one important point for that null value is when one field is null, if you are doing any arithmetic operation it means addition, subtraction, multiplication, you are also deal in SQL queries. So if you are doing that type of things, then your result will be always null. Okay, if you have salary, so you wanted that some fields you wanted that salary you want to multiply with 4 5 or you want to addition with some other things. That time if any field is null, then your result will be null. Hope everyone clear on that. Thank you. Bye bye and take care.